There's a big gap between what people think is happening in the economy and what economists actually expect. Take a look at this. Right now, 2 out of 3 Americans believe a recession is coming, but only 1 out in 3 economists say that's likely. Here's my takeaway. A lot of people assume a recession is going to happen, but this is a good reminder that it's not a guarantee. If the experts aren't worried, should you be? Yes, there's some uncertainty right now, no doubt about it, but you should base your decision on your life, not the news cycle. If you need to move, you don't necessarily have to wait, but you do want to make sure your job is steady, your finances are strong, and you stick to your budget. If you want an expert's advice or just want to go over your options, let's connect.